left, down, right, up.
Lindsay did it in record time. Oh my god! It only took
like maybe a minute.
Maybe. Probably a few, 2 or 3.
That's it's so crazy. It's like there's this thing in my head that helps with comprehension skills. I think it's my liver.
Your liver?
Yeah, dude. It's what helps me float in the ocean.
Alrighty. And now that those guys are dead, you're free to cross that area.
Oh, yeah. Man, they really make these things oh, you know what these are? Fucking tvirus.
Well, you shouldn't be whacking
them. Better not fuck with those, though.
These guys are already annoying enough. They don't need to be zombies, too.
I would hate to see what some of the creatures, the nemesis version of these.
I don't know if a T-virus would affect a robot or not.
I'm not willing to find that shit out. What is this?
Man, these guys are flying single file and stuff.
Take out those kind of guys.
Oh, God.
Oh,
you need to run away.
Get out of here.
You need to get out of there.
I had a good time, but it's time for me to go. Alright, escape the bullies this time.
Yeah, I'd use your Visibomb if I were you. That's not in your quick select.
Get rid of the pull gun.
Once you need it, like 2 minutes later.
Yeah. Always. Somebody in that office really loves the fucking pull gun.
You almost hit the floor.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh.
Well,
cool.
you can turn it around.
It's cool, man. I'm deep in space right now.
You lost.
Oh, shit.
You lost signal.
I think I went to Mars.
Very good.
We're just riding. I thought really I could curve that, but nah. Boom.
There you go. Now you just got 2 of the flamethrower guys. They're easy to deal with.
You guys just see me take out those fucking planes? Bring that weak ass flamethrower shit. I don't even use that. I have not used that.
Ooh, I think there's a boss fight on this level.
Oh shit.
And you suck at those.
Dude, I did pretty okay on the bridge one where the Jesus guy came to the door.
It's only because he came.
He came so then I could concentrate and not have to talk or anything. I can't think and talk at the same time, so it's impossible for me to think before I talk, because something's got to be happening.
Oh!
Whoa! That's not right.
Dangerous, but I think that's the only way you can go. Whoa!
Whoa! Crossing streams
keep on
here.
running it. That went surprisingly okay.
Oh, fuck, come on. Oh, shit. What?
Oh, there it is.
Oh, come on. Oh, man.
Oh, and it's a magnet boot part. Oh.
My equilibrium.
My inner ear just fell out.
Just fell out.
Yeah. And you are on the roof.
Can I help?
No, you're not.
Dude, this game is exactly like Dead Space. That's not what I meant. That's not what I meant at all. You guys could just give me a second. Oh, I know I gotta take this out. Are they getting destroyed?
Yeah, I think that the flamethrower guys are killing some of the robots trying to get you.
Oh, well, keep it up. Good work. These robots are pretty stupid. They can't figure out where I'm gonna go next.
Definitely not in a circle. And you're dead.
How many?
With all that health, like, just right under your
I
nose,
know.
too. Okay, so you gotta use your matrix shit again. I think you forgot to use your matrix shit.
I used a little bit. Oh,
so what's the point of this even being like a Magna Boot part? Why not just make it an elevator to this room normally?
Because it's wacky. Can I not choose a fucking weapon while I'm doing this?
I guess not. Glove of Doom, good idea.
No!
But every one of those pterodactyls you kill doesn't matter until all the spawners are gone because they'll just keep coming.
Thank you, Mr. Nice. Yeah, because they just don't keep.
Just keep spitting out babies. Alright. And after you get that one down, then you can spam Glove of Doom.
Grab this when we're busy. How many people are there? Okay.
Whoa, that's a lot of flamethrower guys.
Only the guys who can really fuck me up. Alright, hit nobody on that. Alright, I'm running out of Glove of Doom here.
Oh, what are you gonna do then? You'll have to actually fight them.
Nah, I'm gonna devastate them.
Remember, you can take them out in one wrench whack.
Yeah, but I said I was gonna devastate them. But then, it never worked. Okay. And when I go back in there, I'm gonna have the boots again, which... for no reason.
There's a reason. I just don't know what it. I don't know what it is. This isn't even a Magna Boot part. You're barefooted.
With my weird ass toes.
They really are weird.
They're weird as fuck. No wonder he doesn't wear shoes. There's nothing to accommodate that.
This is a long level.
Hello, Captain Ratchet.
Oh.
What? What?
Yeah, you gotta fight Cork now, I'm pretty sure.
Come and get me, hero.
Okay. Clank is like, what the fuck? Oh, okay. Maybe you should waste those.
I think you have lasers and missiles. There should be another button that lets you shoot lasers. Yeah, or machine gun, one or two.
Is there a, like...
way to fill up on your missiles?
Oh, I was thinking like, sort of dodge like the strafing, but in the plane.
No, not really.
Oh, tracker beam, I mean,
Yeah, at this point you just want to focus on the missiles mostly. Okay, you gotta take out all those ships before his force field goes down.
God, I only got one fucking missile.
Well, because you wasted half of them at
Yeah.
the beginning. There's certain asteroids you can shoot that will drop missiles, and I think maybe health too.
Because when I did that other, like, oh shit, help. Okay. Really needed that. There's gotta be like a more efficient way to do this right now.
Well, missiling them is.
I mean,
See those red glowy asteroids? Those drop health and missiles. Every so often we'll see.
oh, that big one right there. A lot of heat coming off of it.
Yeah. But he almost got them all, so it's all good either way.
You bastard. Just let me murder you in space.
Yeah, he doesn't die.
I imagine nobody really dies in this because kid stuff. I just ain't even dealing with that. Or dealing
It
right
looks like
at
you're
it.
really dealing with it there.
Just swaying like I'm listening to some. If you like pina colada, that's my jam.
Is that how people dance to that song?
I mean, white people sway is the only way I can imagine dancing to that song. Probably.
Ooh.
Fucking probably, man.
Well, you've almost got him dead.
Yeah, surprisingly, because I really don't want to do this again.
Yeah, it's kind of time consuming. Too bad you don't have any missiles. And your health is kind of low too.
He's so close to being dead. I have half a brain.
I do not. I've only got 1/4.
Hey,
Man, you guys have like the same amount of health too.
You just want to race or something?
You suck at that on here too.
Hoverboard?
Warning, ship needs repairs.
I know.
Don't give.
Thank you. Thank you. The next event will be rebroadcast at
Good job, you get to do that again. And do it again.